Good morning to all my faculty, teachers, and the people who have supported me throughout the process of bringing this project to all you. Here's a basic info about me. I am from Babu Banarsi Das Engineering College. I'm in my fourth year, student of Computer Science and Engineering. I did this project under the guidance of Sonam ma'am, and I would also like to thank Sumit sir who has helped throughout the project, and also my teachers and faculty members. And here's the topic: speech training program by Akash Shukla. Here's a basic slide of what I've done throughout the process, and here's a basic introduction. If you want, you can pause and read it. Objective: what I am trying to do of this project, a block diagram in which I have taken input audio clips of WAV format and converted the analog data to a discrete data, and then I have done the pitch analysis and tracking, and then from which I have obtained a graph. And this is the methodology. If you want, you can read it. And this is the basic layout, speech training program, and advantages and disadvantages. A basic theory, it's in depth. If you want, you can read it. And this is, I have explained the concept of pitch and frequency, how it works, and from high pitch to low pitch, what are its benefit and basic. This is the basic software requirement to run the project. I've done on Python 3.6.5 framework. I've used is PyQt5, and this is the hardware requirement and application. What I'm trying to do is building a software that can use by different kind of people trying to analyze their pitch, their volume. For example, a person trying to prepare for his interview can record his voice and then analyze where his pitch was high and how he was talking throughout the process, and how he can change things for his betterment, and so that he can sound more confident and maybe more vocabulary, and therefore hence he can evaluate and use it. And you can also use it to hear and analyze different bird frequency, bird language, bird speaking, and their different animal voices, and recognize which kind of animal it is. And you can further use this software in different times as per the audio. Now I would like to present you the software. I've used PyCharm, which is and I've imported various modules such as PyQtPy, NumPy, Pitch, widgets, and you can see the basic coding. You can, if you want, you can pause and read it. And I've divided into three parts: step 5 first, step 5 second, and speech training program, and is stepwise second. And now I would like to run the software. You can go. Here the main window has opened, speech training program, another step towards success. Now you can go on standard voice, and you can select from OS. I've already saved qw.uav. This is a WAV sound file, and then click on open, and you can select a inner voice. These are two different type of voices: first, previous, and next version. Or you can analyze it and compare it with another person's voice. Anything for two different kind of voice, maybe same or maybe different, depend on you. And then yes, these are two WAV files. And then when see, this are two different files, and when you click on compare, it analyze and browse. And now you can see the final output has arrived. This is a pitch tracking graph where you can see the difference between two audios. They were 34 seconds long, time, pitch, and the whole graph rating where the pitch was high in the first module. The first one is yellow and the second one is blue. And this is the whole graph of how it works, pitch tracking, and you can see the implementation. And finally, what I would like to explain is this is software in which any person who's trying to improve his overall pitch, his speaking ability can use it. You can even see it in Alexa and Google, Siri, where these type of software help to make our life easy and for better. Thus I'm using voice message for evaluation. This is a basic step. I'm trying to learn it more in NPL, natural language processing, and other fields of AI. It is a very useful in our further use, and thus I would like to conclude and thank all my teachers, my faculties, Sumit sir and Sonam ma'am, who had helped me a lot throughout this project. And thus I will like to end my video, and this is the final things. And thank you all for watching the video. Thank you.